Only attack I make. But JAYDEN chase there to make the fans them know what really are going on.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we don't need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we don't find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel. Yes, JAYDEN Chase. And we are bringing another new and exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, what's a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, no doubt in my mouth, no uncertainty in my thoughts, viewers and subscribers. Freedom is a must for the 2020. I'm not stop say it, viewers and subscribers. And first and foremost, I'm going to point out this. For naysayers who are say, there will be a retrial. I'm going to point this out to you. There is still the Livingston Kane situation being taken place right now before the courts. Where will we find a jury to sit upon a case? It was hard enough in the initial trial. Now, after trial and after appeal, where will we find these individuals? Where will we find people who can say, yes, them not know nothing about the teacher and film situation, viewers and subscribers? And gone are the days where we can just say, alright, we are going to the country and find some people. Right now, everybody and them friend and phone, viewers and subscribers. Technology is prevalent. The teacher did say it already. Technology from the northern to the southern. Yes, the teacher already pointed that out. Viewers and subscribers, it got hard to find some people we can say are unbiased, meaning they have no prior knowledge about the teacher and the whole implications of the whole situation. Everybody and them friend know what going on. So with that alone being said, viewers and subscribers, the retrial night. Plus we don't want a retrial. I'm gonna know the teacher don't want a retrial. As a matter of fact, society already has said the courts have too much things backlog already. We go revisit this whole situation all over again. But one thing, we will always remember, the Court of Appeal, viewers and subscribers, will always do what they see fit according to the law. And one fundamental aspect of the law is every individual is entitled to a fair trial, viewers and subscribers. You know what I mean? And if one was not given, well, some point to the fact that, well, maybe giving one would be another option instead of letting the teacher walk. Well, we as say freedom is a must. We as say them let the teacher walk. Teacher has already been behind the railing for a number of years. I'm tired for a point that out the world know that. So why you don't want to keep him there? Some people also say, will he be able to receive bail? Now listen to me. You can only receive bail from jail. At this point in time, remember the teacher was sentenced and is appealing that sentencing, appealing that ruling made in the initial trial. The teacher is not in jail. The teacher is in prison, viewers and subscribers, at this moment in time. So no, bail out tight. So him have to stay away him there while him go through the next trial again. We're not upon that. We're not upon that, viewers and subscribers. The teacher is more needed, yes sir. Out upon the road I deal with dancehall music, viewers and subscribers. At this point in time at 2020, the wider world I look upon dancehall music and I wonder what are the new moves with dancehall music I make this year. They assert but themselves as one of the dominant forces in our world music. We're tired to see the Grammys and dancehall artists have to be put into the reggae category. We want to see the dancehall category at the Grammys. We want to acknowledge dancehall as a world force. And we need prominent artists like Vybz Kartel to do it. Big up all other artists who are contributing to the movement right now. But talk, man. We talk about innovation and creativity. The teacher have a talk about, and that is why we need the teacher free on the road. Separate and apart from that, recently we see teacher put out a public letter, and they must say PTSD and disenfranchisement, and that can go as far as even the situation right now with the teacher and fee mute them. Him away from him mute them. Them can't see. Them can see him certain time, if at all, because certain age group cannot go there. Did you know that? Certain age groups cannot visit none at all. So, you see the situation, viewers and subscribers. So at this point in time, I would say the 3-judge tribunal are going to make the right decision if viewers and subscribers, because integrity is definitely always at play too as well. If we can't get a fair trial and we can't get a fair appeal, what can we get before the courts out here? What are we entitled to, viewers and subscribers, if we can't get a fair trial and after that we go appeal and we can't get a fair appeal? What did I tell you? Them say peel back the layers like an onion and it will reveal the real fruit. What at a point to? If you can't get a fair trial or a fair appeal, viewers and subscribers, the thing look bleak. The thing look bleak for you find yourself there, so at the set reach. So viewers and subscribers, of course the integrity of the court is always at play in any case, but this one even more so, because this is an appeal, viewers and subscribers, and the whole world look for what going. HBO don't say alright, them I want rights to the world situation when the teacher jump out and show them, say watch a play, man, and this dancehall's leading artist that got through, you know, who did know that. And we know the world is interested. We know the world is interested in viewers and subscribers because we saw our going. You know what I mean? Freedom is a must. We not stop saying. We not stop saying, viewers and subscribers. Tell a friend near you the teacher will be on a stage near them soon and very soon, viewers and subscribers. The teacher, definitely an artist that is needed in the dancehall music. Anytime we put up for something, we notice the comment section and point out that say, yo, separate and apart from the fact that people respect the artist and his work ethic. I won't say work ethic is an artist who will give it multiple tracks daily. It's an artist who will do multiple shows in a one night. Work ethic unmatched. You can't go around that. We talk about creativity. The way the teacher can vividly express himself in a music, viewers and subscribers, no matter what is the subject matter. That matters. You know what I mean? Yes, we have to definitely talk about that. And we talk about innovation. Certain things that we see the teacher implementing in dancehall music. The teacher is a true visionary. True visionary. We can say that. Yeah, because I'm not seeing another artist for do it. So if he's even the same as a visionary among his peers, other artists, they make us say that. But visionary nonetheless, viewers and subscribers. And even when we just look on those factors, we see why the whole dancehall, from fans to stakeholders, that say, yo, need the teacher role still, you know. We are going to need the teacher role, and especially for 2020 and the plans the dancehall stakeholders have in mind, and some that are being implemented soon and very soon. The teacher play a very, let's say, pivotal role in the whole movement of that. You know what I mean? Yeah, because we need chart-topping music to push the genre. We need a certain level of artistry. We need artists with a certain persona. You know what I mean? Somebody with on screen, even if I know music, them can still have that entertainer value. And I one thing with the teacher, viewers and subscribers, if I even an interview, when you see the teacher, when him articulate himself, when him talk, the vibe him all, when you see him on screen, you are still entertained, even if him not DJ or rappers with them, that's enough. I know them are categorized that different than the whole vibe are going. So even if him not do music at that moment in time, when you see him, still entertaining. Him have that persona, viewers and subscribers. An artist like this will be instrumental in the forward movement of dancehall music on a whole. So you see why, you know what I mean? People are saying they need a teacher here. Other than that, viewers and subscribers, the mere fact that we have someone facing the situation and it was not centered on evidence, viewers and subscribers, the wider world I say, yo, then what kind of play that take place? On an island, in a country that has one of the best legal schools, well meaning say, yo, school them teach law. How was that allowed to happen here? And as I say, because of, I wouldn't say at the society neither, but the fact that people feel like to appease certain members of the society, this has been the best decision. And hoping say after the decision was made, it will be evident that it was the best decision. And the opposite has happened it is clear that it was not the best decision, and the outcome that was sought was not found, viewers and subscribers. Know what I mean? Was not found. Yeah. The outcome, the teacher is still the best artist, and other artists who are found out in the industry are subpar, and them still talk about the same subject matter who not say, yo, who not want the teacher to talk about. Them a talk about it now, so even the new artists them are found out, and the same thing them a talk about. You can't stop it because as something society I deal with. So viewers and subscribers, by the one called JAYDEN Chase, the Gaza representative, dancehall correspondent, viewers and subscribers, and we have just had another exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall entertainment. If you're new to the channel, you'll be reminded to click the subscribe icon and the bell icon as soon as I stay notified with all our go on as soon as you do so. The comment section open 24/7, it never lock yet. Just be mindful of the guidelines. However, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your, you know what I mean? Drop it there so we can continue reasoning via the comment section. Be mindful of the guidelines. We just pointing that out. But share icon today as well. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Tell a sister and the brother, but check out the channel from right here on the platform. You can do that. So viewers and subscribers, until the reason again, first and foremost, you know the settings are up move. I wouldn't need the ladder. My sentiments for you and yours. I want to live, love, and prosper. Until the reason again.